Hello everyone, I'm come back with the video talking about Epiinfo training session. So this video will introduce you one more thing, talking about data entry form. So the previous video, so you know already how to create form questionnaire on Epiinfo7 software. So the video will introduce you about what is the record, how to enter data into Epiinfo form, and also navigate through record by navigation bar on Epiinfo7 software, and also on the search function in Epiinfo software. So this video is not so long, just a short brief related with how to enter the data, how to find the data in the Epiinfo software. So let's start. Just click so make sure that you have already created a form questionnaire on Epiinfo7. So you just click on the enter data here on the dashboard. Enter data, click here. So the screen appear, and you need to open your project in Epiinfo. Just click on open form on the toolbar, the top left. Click here. For the current project, you need to click here to browse your project. Okay, example in mom. Open. Example, this is a project that we need to enter the data. Click open. With the form name survey, you just click OK. So the form appear, and we see everything on the form. Example, this mom case interview form that they first enter data already, but we need to check more on the form or enter data into this form. Continue to enter data on the form. So just see, it is the form, or we can call a questionnaire form with the mom case outbreak, and you will see all the field on the form. So before you can enter the data into the form, you need to know the meaning. What is a record? The record means everything that you fill on the form follow from field to field until the end of the form. So this is we call one record. And for the data entry, you want to input the data into the form, you need to click new record here, blah blah blah, and you just try to input number 46 tape. Okay, date of interview, example DDMMMYY. Today is 15. It is just an example. 10. Okay, first name, last name, okay, okay, you can click here, just click address, blah blah blah. Okay, and you need to complete all the questionnaire. And if you want to get to input more data, you can click new record here. But some field that you create, example like first name, required to enter. What it mean? It means that you need to complete this field name. Example like my data here. I didn't finish. Oh, sorry, 46. The last record 46. You see, I didn't complete all the field, but I still can continue to the next record because of another field is not required. So if I don't have any information to fill this in the form, I can continue to another next record to input another new record. But in case of the form that they need to fill, they need the complete information, so you cannot leave it blank. You need to fill it to complete it, and then you can go to the next record. But this case we can, because of some all the field is not required, so we can go to the next record. It is for the data entry on the form in epidemiology in Epiinfo. So next we are talking about navigate through record. So you can see here we call navigation bar. Navigation bar, it means that we can scroll the record, go to next, go to previous, go to last, go to first record, or add new record. So example, if you want to see this one previous record, you can click here, and then you can get to see the record. Example record the number of 45, and you can go back, go to previous, you can see the case ID 44, or you can go to previous one more, you can see the case ID 43. But this one is one by one, it's not all, you see, just one by one. Here it is go to previous. This button you can click, go to next record 37, 38, 39, 40, you see. But this one go back and next, go back and go next, just only one by one record. But if you want to see the last record, you can click this button. You see the last record, the case ID is 46. If you want to see the first record, you can click this button. You see, number 1, it is the first record. And you want to enter the new data, you can click new record here, new record. So you can follow the field from field to field. It is your data entry. Another one, you can use the command find. Command find. So the command find allow you to choose the field first to find the data that you want. Example, I want to find by case ID case 5, case number 5, and click search. Okay, you can see the case number 5 here. Did you see it? It is the case number 5. This is case number 5, you can see. here, or you can do anything on the data. And if you don't want to find by case ID, you can click again on case ID and nothing appear on the right hand side. So we can use more than one field: fever, by case ID, that is not good condition. Example like a fever with sick, fever, sick. I want to find who got fever, yes, but such is male only. You can type in the condition field. You find someone got fever but only male. You can search here. You can see all is male, and only this got fever. Sorry, it is slow to reload the data. Yes, here fever. Someone got fever, but our condition is only male. If we don't use the condition gender, you can say yes for the fever and search. Here's a lot of data. Okay? A lot of data got fever, both male and female. Or this one like a filter that you can filter here, and you can also edit some data was wrong. Or you can use with another variable at the left hand side. Here you just click which variable that you want. So it is how to find data on the Epiinfo. This one you can create a line listing, so you can see your data here. Here the line listing, and you can point to the Epiinfo form to edit something. Here line listing, you can click line listing with my Excel. It means that you can export it to Microsoft Excel. You can see it with HTML printable, just only print, or interactive, which one? Example, you click on line listing and you can see the list of the data. There are 46 records here. It is the last record that just example for the data entry at the beginning, and if we click on the record, we can see all the data on the form. So if the data show on the form, you can edit your data. You see here which one you want to edit. If you see something wrong with your data with record, you can click on the record to change, to edit, to modify, and after modify you can save it. The data will be saved to your database. Okay, that's all for this lesson talking about data entry. So I promise I will create a next video talking about data management on Epiinfo7. So I hope all of you enjoy with my video and try to listen one by one to get some knowledge from my video, and I promise I will continue to create another video that very important for all of you to learning how to manage the data, how to analyze the data. Okay, see you next video. Bye bye. About data entry form. So the previous video, so you know already how to create form questionnaire on Epiinfo7 software. So the video will introduce you about what is the record, how to enter data into Epiinfo form, and also navigate through record by navigation bar on Epiinfo7 software, and also on the search function in Epiinfo software. So this video is not so long, just a short brief related with how to enter the data, how to find the data in the Epiinfo software. So let's start. Just click so make sure that you have already created a form questionnaire on Epiinfo7. So you just click on the enter data here on the dashboard. Enter data, click here. Hello everyone, I'm come back with the video talking about Epiinfo training session. So this video will introduce you one more thing, talking